Hello all the warriors, this is Roy. Welcome to Arena. Today we're gonna unboxing this Waigo Hobby Anniversary Thundershot Special, the item number 92429. Okay, so let's open it, see what's inside. Let's go. Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can press here for subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell so every time when we have a new video you will know it right away. Thank you. Okay, so now we start from the body. So the body is the carbon fiber poly body. Okay, so this is the Thundershot, of course, because Tamiya used to have this one is as a gift, something like that. I think that was a couple years ago. So if you missed that chance, and this is a pretty good chance for you to get this kind of poly body, okay? Because this is the carbon one, okay, and then this is the stickers, okay, and this is the poly body bracket, okay, and this is the MS chassis. Of course, this is MS, not the MSL. And the material for this one, it is ABS. Okay, and the color is orange. Okay, it's all orange. The parts is also orange as well. And tire is extra large lettering. It says the Waigo 45 years anniversary, and that is dark blue, and the material is hard. Okay, and this is extra large tire. Now, of course, the extra large wheels, 6-spoke extra large wheels, and the material is PP. Okay, and the gear ratio compass is the 4.1, and low friction rollers, and purple pinion gear. Okay, so this is everything in this unit. So let's take a look at how it looks like after we build it. Let's go. Okay, so now everybody look at how it looks like after we build it. So it looks pretty cool, and of course it's the same thing as like the previous video that I made. Those two is like this one, and the other one will definitely become a really good collections, because you can see here, even the box, it says the carbon Clinton print body included. So if you missed the chance already and you want to get different type of the carbon, the body, and this is definitely your choice. Okay, so I will see you next time. Bye bye.